the office was fun while it lasted. It's like, nah, it's still here, it's just empty. But welcome to the episode of Danish TV. This is Danish Creator. We're back with this video, and today, oh my god, we are back with unboxing today's package. And the hair is there, except this right here, hanging by a thread, you guys. So these will be taken out probably really soon. Probably after, right around my birthday, September 19th. And that is 12 days away. So, yeah. We're on back to today's package. We got another sampler box. Oh, let's do this. Come on, let's be professional now. Another sampler box. I'm so excited. I always love getting sampler boxes, but sampler boxes, they just look professional. And I know what these items are. Check these out. Please make sure you are checking out the Dance Review playlist. All of my reviews are there. All of them, and this is going to be one of those reviews. Did I take all the... Okay, I took all the tape out. Okay. Ooh, bruh. Alright, so we got... Let's start with this one. This is chickpeas pasta noodles. They're made with chickpeas and lentils, and they have 20 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber, and it's 3.5 ounces per serving. Wow. Look at that. That is actually pretty nice. I like it. Look at the flowers. It's like flowers, but it's like noodles. No, it's flowers. I was right. Yeah, and the circle inside, of course, is the noodles. I don't want to open this because I'm not using. This is a plant-based. Plant-based. Y'all get y'all plant-based on. That's for my plant-based peoples. They do have a oh, this coupon. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, this is their coupon and things like that. Go ahead and get you one. I got $1.50 off. So they got a lot. I see spaghetti noodles. They got oven ready lasagna noodles, linguine, penny. They got pretty much the entire spaghetti family on here. Pasta family, I'm sorry. Yes, they got all the good stuff. Next, we got some all stain lifters. We got some all, I think this is laundry detergent. And they got stain lifters. This is another plant base. And I got 2 of these bad boys. I think there is a coupon for that. If not, no, there's no coupon for this one. That sucks, but it's okay. These are actually pretty good. I actually like using these, and these go great with the washer machine that we have. And last but not least, this video is relatively short because we don't got that many items in here. There's only like 3 items. We now 4 compared to it. But we got Oromir Ayurvedic mouthwash with neem and pilu, along with their toothpaste. Really small. I'll try to make it bigger. Go with what you get. This is nice. And look at the mouthwash. The mouthwash looks so professional. Like, it's professional right here. And I got a coupon for that as well, I believe. Oh no, not a coupon exactly, but gently and naturally care for your teeth with a Ayurvedic wisdom. So it's like a basics on what this is all about and all this stuff. And that's pretty much it, man. I hope you do the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and share cool stuff. Probably a double upload this week because I'm continuing my nail journaling on the way. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And click the notification bell when you have click the notification bell when you notify about my videos. Share the video. The Dance Review playlist is always and will forever be the first link in the description, so go ahead and check that out. And then, yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye. I got something.